Amara, I'm warning you. Amara, leave this bucket. Don't provoke me. Amara, leave this bucket.
Hey, Chinelo, look at my trouble. This is my bucket. But leave it though. Hey, leave the bucket though. Leave it alone. Look at my trouble. You're trying me in this house, so go to where you belong now. Leave this house. You are not from here. Leave.
Amara, I'm warning you. Let this be the first and the last time you're calling me an outsider in my father's house. Do you understand?
Drop my buckets. Drop my bucket!
When you're done vomiting rubbish from your mouth, you see this bucket, I'll use it and wash and not do anything. Mama, what Chinelo?
Mama, one now.
Leave this bucket, my friend.
Chinelo, I'm looking for
Mama, one Chinelo.
Mama, one how? This is my bucket, one how?
Can a day pass without you two fighting in this house? What is the matter? Amara, leave the bucket for her now. She's your elder sister.
See her.
Leave her. Leave her.
Mama, she has killed me. Mama, she has killed me. He's beating me. We can't kill. We can. Mama, just see her.
What was the meaning of that? Must you two fight over nothing? You almost injured me. Because I was smart enough not to have fallen on top of you. And you, Mumu. At every moment you want to fight. And once the fight starts, you fall on the ground like a big bread that was soaked in water. No strength to fight, yet you want to fight. Stop it. Stop it.
Mama, we are sorry.
Is sorry the problem? Is sorry, will it solve the problem? What will solve the problem is you people embracing yourselves in love. Learning how to accommodate each other.
Man, the bucket is my bucket. And she was using it.
Does it matter? Is she not your sister?
No, she's not my sister.
I don't even want to be your sister.
Enough. Enough now. Enough of all these talks. What is this matter again, Amara? So far as you two are living together in this house, you must share things. You are bound to share things.
Lie, Mama. I can't share my things with this stranger.
Mama, Shebi, you have seen. She has started calling me names again. One now. Why is she calling me a stranger?
Amara, can you stop? I am still talking. Can you stop? What is all this? Rubbish.
Mama, I know you will support her because you love her more than me. But no problem, Mama. No problem.
Can you stop? Amara, can you stop? I don't love any of you less. I love you two equally. And I've never discriminated between the two of you. But what I will not stand is this your incessant quarreling and fighting over nothing. What is all this? You see this thing that happened today? I don't ever want it to happen again. We have plenty buckets in this house. If she's using this bucket, you go to the backyard and pick another one. Must you kill yourself if you bought this one? How about this house? Is it not my house? Yet you're living in the house. Don't you tie my wrapper when you want to sleep? Do you have any wrapper you used to cover yourself? Is it not my wrapper? Have I ever dragged it with you? Since this bucket is your life, eat it. Tie the bucket. Eat it. It might belong to you. It's my own. This house is my house. Yet you're living in this house.
Mama, food is ready. Okay, there you go.
Where is your sister's own?
Mama, I'm not her servant too. She will go and serve herself.
I don't understand.
Serve herself.
You cooked this food. It's expected you should dish out her food and come serve her.
Mama, like I said, I'm not her servant now. She will go and serve herself. Mama, I want to eat my food though, in peace for that matter.
Mama, don't stress yourself. I'm not handicapped. I'll go in there and dish my food.
I see people that are handicapped are not better than you. At least they have homes. They are not homeless like you.
Excuse me, what did you just say?
You heard me clearly. You are homeless. You don't belong here.
Let this be the last time you refer to me as homeless. If you try it next time, I'll give you a very hot slap. Do you understand?
You cannot do anything.
Are you mad? Are you stupid?
You slap me.
What's wrong? I will slap you again. Is something wrong with you?
You want to slap me? How dare you slap me?
And I will do it again.
Why did you slap me? Why did you slap me?
Tell Amara to leave my clothes.
I'm not leaving your clothes.
No, no.
You want to naked me or what? Come on, leave my clothes.
What of you have breasts? Fine.
Amara, I'll wound you. I'll wound
Why did you
you.
slap me?
What's going on here? Mama!
Stop it! Tell her to leave my clothes.
No.
See, I don't want to touch you. Leave me. I don't want to touch you.
Come and separate them now. Can't you see that they are fighting?
And you are here.
Why are you stopping me?
Am
Why are you
I going
stopping
to
me?
fight and fight well?
Hey!
Amara, I'm not your mate. I'm warning you. Get your hands off me.
Chinelo, leave my hands off. Leave my hands
Get
off.
out.
Hey!
Touch me again. Let me
Fight.
I will touch you.
Touch me.
I will touch you.
Touch me.
I will touch you.
touch me.
Fight on,
You're still
fight
touching me. I will beat you.
Fight on.
Stop touch me again.
Homeless people.
You're still calling
Fight
me.
on. Fight on.
See this? I'll beat you. I'll beat you.
Hey, Mama.
What is it, Amara?
Sister Amara, Chinelo are fighting and no one is there to separate them. Mama is there, but she refused to separate them.
Are you serious about what you are saying?
Yes, Papa. Papa, please come. Let's go and separate them, please.
Okay. Just wait. Let me get my walking stick.
Okay, Papa.
Amara, Chinelo, what do we call this? Have both of you gone mad?
No, Uncle. Amara is the mad one. Uncle, there's nothing Amara does not say to me in this house. Amara insults me every day. She gets to the essence of calling me homeless, that I don't belong here. Can you imagine that? That got me really pissed off.
She gets you pissed off. Oh. You are not one of us.
Oh, shut up! Shut up, Amara! Do you realize you are talking to your elder sister? Is there anything wrong with you?
Uncle, she's not my sister. Kaima here is my only sister in this house. She just came here to come and drag my mother's love with me. She doesn't belong here.
What love are you talking about? When people hear, they will think something else is happening in this house. The last I can remember, I've never discriminated between the two of you. I've always shown you two equal love. You are all in my body. Eh? Why are you sounding as if I'm taking sides with her?
Mama, that's not true. You support her more. It's not true.
Oh, Amara.
Because it's because you're the wicked one.
Since my brother died, your mother here has been for both of you. She's here for both of you.
Bear me witness, Dalu.
Let me not hear it again from you. Just look at this girl.
Uncle, the only thing that you can tell me that I will listen is for this intruder to leave my father's house, then I'll listen to you. You should leave.
Who is the intruder? Your sister is the intruder.
Sister Amara, that was harsh. Eh? You don't say that to Sister Chinelo now. Eh?
Kaima, let her be. No, allow her. Say that rubbish one more time. No, say it. Say it.
I will say it. Eh? I will say it. Do your worst.
I will spare you today because of the respect I have for Uncle and Mama here. The next time you try this rubbish, I will teach you a lesson you will never forget.
No, you cannot do anything. You can't do anything.
Shift!
Chinelo.
Shift!
Just let her be. Let her be.
Why are you people petting her now? Why are you people petting her?
Let her be.
Eh? Maybe that ego feels so big. Stop petting her, Uncle. She doesn't belong here.
I will push you.
Ha!
I will push you. I will push you. Amarachi, I will push you.
Now supporting her. People not supporting her.
If work is a bono,
Have you seen? What is wrong with this girl? What is wrong with her? Orani.
Amara, honestly, I am not happy with you. Eh? Why will you pick up a sudden fight with your sister? For crying out loud, why?
I've told you to stop referring to her as my sister. Don't make me angry.
Amara, where are all this coming from? Like, for crying out loud, she is your elder sister. For Christ's sake, why? Why?
Do you realize our mother has showered out all the love she has for both of us? Even when it comes to sharing of things, she gets the bigger part more than me.
Is that the problem, Amara? No, now, tell me, is that the problem? You know Mama is not like that. Mama will not act like that. Mama will not think of such a thing.
Please, no one should advise me. All I know is that she will leave that house, and that's final.
So you will not listen to me? You will not listen to your friend?
No. Support your friend. You're telling me, support me.
You are doing bad thing. How will I support you?
I'm not doing bad thing. No, you are doing good one.
Yes.
Good day, my daughter. This one that your face is like this, I hope there's no problem.
Grandma, I'm not fine. My sister Amara has been a thorn in my flesh.
Amara, why your own sister?
Yes, Grandma.
Hi.
For some weeks now, she has been insulting me, calling me all sorts of names. She even went as far as telling me that I don't belong to the family.
Hi. Amara. Nelo, you should have known that Amara has been a stubborn girl ever since she was young. You should have been used to her by now.
I know, Grandma. But that does not give her the right to be insulting me, calling me all sorts of names, to the point of calling me an intruder.
No, now, it's okay. Please, whenever she comes with this her trouble, avoid her. Let her be. Oh,
I'll beg you, Grandma. I'll try.
It's okay. Come, let's go inside, okay?
We used to be like sisters. Why will you hate me now? Why suddenly happened to us? Come on, please don't hate me. We are supposed to be like one. We used to love each other unconditionally. Why? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? What have I done to you? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? What have I done?
Some homeless people, they have passed by, just going about as if they're part of the family. Chinelo, you see who I'm talking to? It's who I'm talking to. In case
it's too harsh now.
What is too harsh? Please. Biko, mind your business. Biko. Oh, she's even coming back. She's coming back though.
I was going to ignore you, but because you mentioned my name, I won't. Now listen to me and listen real good. Let this be the last time you try this rubbish. The next time you open that pit, you call a mouth to refer to me as homeless, I will do to you what ears will hear and twinkle.
Chinelo, you cannot do anything. I dare you. This is the middle of the road. Come and fight me. I'm a crazy person. Come and fight
Amara,
me.
You
can't do anything.
See, I'm sorry. Please.
You are sorry.
Ignore her. Please, you can go. Don't fight her. Please, don't fight her.
If she's your friend, warn her to avoid me entirely. Else, I will do to her what you will not like.
You can't do anything. You can't do. Stop what? Homeless people just going about looking for families to destroy.
You're going too far.
You see you.
And don't you know she's your elder sister? Okay. What is your problem?
I think she's not your friend. Go and tell
She's not my friend. I beg, please. I'm not in for her.
If you feel like it, you see you.
I'm not sorry. I don't like the way you're treating her. Why are you treating her like that?
No, go and be friends with her. Go and be friends with her. Okay.
Sister Amara, I'll be willing to ask you, why do you keep saying that Sister Chinelo is not part of this family?
Because she's not. She does not belong here.
I don't understand. Sister Chinelo grew up with you in this family together. I have been seeing her here since I was little.
Don't be confused. She does not belong here. Kaima, you have to believe me. We're just two sisters in this family. You and I. Then our brother Tochi. That's all.
You are confusing me.
Kaima, don't be confused. She's not our sister. Please, forget about her. She's not important. How is Tochi? Have you an uncle heard from him?
Yes, I spoke to him yesterday. How I wish he's around. All this drama wouldn't have happened. At least he would have put an end to this.
I wish he's around too. At least he would have believed me, supported me, than all of you that are supporting a stranger than your own blood.
Okay, Sister Chinelo is still part of this family. I don't know what you are saying.
The better you stop this your illusion, the better for you. Keep believing rubbish.
Amara, are you going now? Don't lock the door. I'm back. Let me have the keys.
No one is at home, So, and I cannot leave my father's house for a total stranger like you.
So this is why you're locking the door and going out with the key when you know there's a place we normally keep keys. Amara, give me this key, I beg. I don't have time to fight this afternoon. The sun is towards.
Listen to me. See this key, I'm going out with it. If you like, you can stay outside till maybe your mama comes back. I don't scare. But see this key, you will not have it.
You like this girl, I'm still talking to you. What's your problem? See, I'm not in a good mood. So that it will not turn to transfer of aggression now. Just let me have the key.
Look, if you like, cut my hand. See this key. Give me. Chinelo, you started. Hey, what is this now? What is it?
Tell her to give me the key now. What's wrong with you?
Stop it! How is it your business? I'm a boy. See this key. You will not have it. Come and collect it.
Wait, this key. Just leave her.
Chinelo!
Leave her now.
Okay. I should leave her.
Yes. It's okay now.
My friend, get out!
Oh, you pushed me.
See, Amara, leave her. Let her enter inside. Is it not her house too? Leave her alone.
She pushed me.
Leave her. She's your sister. It's okay.
What are you doing?
Don't worry, she will open.
She's not.
Amara.
Leave me, don't.
See it. Come and collect them. Come and collect them.
You locked the door.
Amara.
Oh, she locked the door.
No, you will come back. There is it not your house.
Chinelo.
Amara.
This girl locked the door.
You were going out. You were going out. She will come back. It's okay. It's okay.
Chinelo.
Amara.
You see what you cost? You see what you cost? Honestly, I don't understand the way you're looking at me.
You know what you did. What you did is wrong. And you know that. And I will tell you the truth.
So, I should have allowed her overshadow me.
You know you started it. Why did you lock the door? I will not allow her to enter.
Because she's not part of my family.
You know, me, I don't understand this misunderstanding. I don't know where it started. I just want you guys to come together and settle it. Because everyone sees that you are at fault. Because of the way you are taking this, you are taking it too far.
Okay, you all now are all in support of her. Okay, that's fine. But all I know is that she will leave that house someday. She will leave.
If you like, listen. If you like, don't listen. But I will keep on advising you. You know you are my friend.
I will not listen. I will not listen.
Amara.
Nelo, my daughter, you don't have to be upset because of this matter. I don't like seeing you like this.
Grandma, imagine my own younger sister locked me outside.
Oh my God.
She told me that I am a stranger in my own father's house.
Hi, Amara. Amara can never change. But Chinelo, you should have been used to her by now. Since both of you are young, to this extent that you people have grown now, you've been the calm person. You've been the responsible one. Amara has been that kind of jaga mad. But don't worry, I know very soon all these things will stop.
When, Grandma? No, when exactly will it stop? Because it is getting worse by the day.
My daughter, but have your mother advised her?
Of course. Mama has spoken to her countless times, but she keeps exhibiting the same character.
That's why I said, try to be avoiding her. Each time she comes with this havoc and her trouble, if you don't know what to do, come to my house and stay. Biko. Eno?
It's okay, Grandma. I've heard you. Let me go fetch you some water.
Don't worry, my daughter. There's enough water in the house. Just relax. And no one.
Mama, are you sure?
I am. Very sure. Asamu. And then you promised to take me to America. You know you've not taken me to America.
Thank you.
So smile for me now. Smile for your family.
Mama, please, I want to ask you a question. And I know you will not lie to me. Please. This thing Amara is always saying about me. Is it true?
What is true? That you're a stranger? Of course you are not. I gave birth to the two of you. You are my daughter, my first daughter. And you are my blood. This house is your house. You belong with me.
Then why does she keep on referring to me as an outsider?
Are you listening to Amara? Are you listening to her? She's but a child. I know why she's acting like this, because she feels I shower you more love than I do to her. So she's acting jealous. Have you forgotten? Even when I buy things and I share between you two, she's always complaining. So she's acting out of jealousy. You know, you just heard this from her. Did you hear it from any other person? So long as you did not hear it from me, nor any outsider, it is not true. This is your house. All I want is for Amara to accord you the respect you deserve as her elder sister. Don't take it to heart. Can you please at least cheer up? You're still not happy.
Amara, Chinelo, please, my daughters, whatever problem you are having amongst yourselves, I want you to take it away. This fight and quarrel in this family is getting worse, and we don't like it. We don't.
Uncle, me, I don't have any problem.
I know.
Amara is the one to be advised.
May thunder help me fire that. Thunder, destroy your mouth for me.
Shut your mouth!
Uncle, have you seen it? No, Uncle, have you seen it? Now I will not sit down here and watch my own younger sister insult me.
I am not your sister. Stop calling me that now. I'm warning you.
Shut up! She's not your sister. Don't worry. You are her younger brother. Is he okay like that? Anampama.
Amara, I don't like the way you are discriminating your elder sister. Look, you have to stop it. You just have to stop it. Because if you don't, you will not like what I will do to you.
Tell her the truth now, yeah, Mama. Bonnie is Yoku now. Tell her the truth now. She does not belong here. If not, it will be wasted years. Oh. She should go. Tell her Papa is Yoku.
Will you shut your mouth? What truth? What wasted years? In fact, the wasted years I'm seeing here is me taking care of you from birth, and you turning into this nasty person you are today.
Mama.
Because, yes, it's you that should change. And no, what nonsense is I'm talking about?
Shebi, you're happy, Abi? Shebi, you're happy.
Shut up! If you don't stop this rubbish, you will not like what I will do to you. Inokwam Najaka.
Is it not better for you to woz her across her face so that sense will come into her head?
Inokwam Najaka.
You will not tell her the truth.
Shut up!
Use this walking stick and hit her head.
Mama.
Hey, yes.
Shebi, you're happy. Shebi, you're happy. She's happy. Okay. seen this girl. She's evil. She tried to poison me in the dream.
So because you had one malaria dream, you assume that I want to kill you?
Yes. You added some substance in my dream. You wanted to kill me. You are evil. Amunsu.
Hey, watch your language. Watch your language. Why would I want to poison you? Why?
Amarachi, you know this is a dream. And anything is possible in a dream. How can you possibly think your sister wants to poison you?
Mama, dreams are our realities. She tried to kill me. It's our mindset.
Dreams are a reflection of our imaginations, of our thoughts. You know, you have thought about she poisoning you. That is why in your dream you saw her trying to poison you. She cannot poison you. Mama, I know her very well.
Mama, I am not in that mood that I will stand quiet today. So warn your daughter not to insult me.
What will you do?
I will beat you for getting your sister. I will beat you.
You think you can beat me? You think you can beat me? You can't. You wanted to kill me, so you can stop my mother.
Why would I kill you?
Why
would I kill you for what?
She's mine. You don't belong here. You don't belong here.
We'll go and cook and go and drink because you're sick. You have malaria.
It's okay. You know her now. Thank God you said she should go and cook agbo. Go and cook agbo and stop the malaria dream.
Obanje.
You gave her the obanje.
We used to be like sisters. Why will you hate me now? Why suddenly happened to us? Come on, please don't hate me. We are supposed to be like one. We used to love each other on condition.
Chinelo, you fought again today, I guess. But I've told you that whenever she comes up with this her trouble, you come to my house and stay. Was that not what I told you?
Grandma, you won't believe what Amara said to me today. She said that I tried to poison her in her dream.
Is that why you should be moody? But you and I know that it's not true.
Then I had to stay back to defend myself. Because staying silent in such situation will now make my mother begin to think that it could be true.
But it's okay, I understand. Okay?
Grandma. I know you will never lie to me, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, please. I need you to tell me everything you know about my family. Is it true that I am not part of the family?
Say so. Say so, my daughter. In as much as I had a misunderstanding with my husband, I left to my father's house. Then your mother was married. 3 years later, I reconciled with my husband, came back and I saw both of you.
So that means you don't really know much about my family.
Though I was away, but Obianlo, my own son, is your biological father. Sure, I'm not lying to you and you know I will not lie. Very soon all these things will end. Okay? Come.
Mama, good morning, ma.
Morning, Daddy.
Fine.
Amarachi, why is our compound littered like that with dirt? Mean you have not swept it this morning?
Mama, do you want me to send this compound? I will have a slave in this house.
Osi? Slave? Because who is a slave?
Chinelo, of course.
Are you mad? No. Are you mad, Obala? You opened that your stinking mouth to call my daughter a slave. I don't know if the madness is just starting, but next time you open that mouth to refer to my daughter like that again, you won't like my actions. Now get up, carry that to your nonsense body. Go inside and pick up the broom and sweep this compound clean.
Mama, this thing you're doing is not fair. It's not fair. Treating your daughter as a slave and Chino as your daughter. It's not fair, Mama. This is cheating, no. It's cheating.
I'm not sweeping it. I'm not sweeping anyone. I'm not sweeping it. If you don't sweep it, by the time my pot boils for food, it won't be your portion. Yes.
Yes. Well, you give Chino that, you give it to her. It's okay, Mama. Supporting her.
No, support her. sweep here now. Amarachi. No problem. In this house, we will know Mbabo and Keboke. The male one or the female one. Which one is stronger? We will know. No problem. This compound, don't sweep it. No food for a lazy man.
It's two.
This girl, you're beginning to play Ojoro.
Which your Ojoro sister?
Play.
Watch and see how when you general markets.
General kwa. Yeah, Kaima. I don't understand you again. Who is teaching you how to play what like this? Eh?
I'm a winner.
Cover up, let me see.
See how play my last card. I'm a winner.
Jesus! Jesus! Hey, Amara, are you blind? What is the meaning of this rubbish? Did you not see us here? No, you did not see another place to pour this water except here.
I swept this compound this morning myself, so I can pour water anywhere I want to pour the water.
Sister Mara, that was unfair now. You didn't say anywhere to pour the water except here.
I don't scare. I see you, Kaima. The earlier is noted that this Chinelo is not our sister, the better for you.
Amara, you see this rubbish you just did today? Don't try it next time. Because the next time you try this nonsense, I will do to you something that will shock you.
You cannot do anything. This is my father's house. You cannot do anything. I see you, Kaima.
That was
you see you.
And what you did was wrong. Eh? So how you just spread our mood now, splash water everywhere.
We used to be like sisters. Why will you hate me now? Why sadly happened to us? Come on, please don't hate me. We are supposed to be like one. We used to love each other unconditionally. Why?
What were you driving? Do you want to kill me?
I'm sorry. Thank God I did not hit you. You know, this is sharp bend. I was about turning.
You are a reckless driver. You're not even looking where you're going to.
Hey, stop being rude. I said I'm sorry. Okay? Are you from this village?
Yes, I'm from this village.
Okay. My name is Sorochi. What's your name?
My name is Amara.
Oh, Amara. Amara Chuku, I guess.
Yes.
You see, you're a child of God. I'm so sorry about what happened, okay?
No problem, it's fine.
Okay, to make it up to you, why don't you give me your number, I'll give you a call, and then we hang out somewhere.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay. Call it.
No, let me type it for you.
Okay.
That's my number.
All right, let me call you. Okay, it's ringing.
I've seen it.
Okay, that's my number.
All right.
All right, remember the name, Sorochi?
My name is Amara.
It's okay, so we'll talk on the phone.
Yes.
All right.
I'd love to see you later.
Me too. You take care, okay?
All right, bye-bye.
Amara, you're welcome to my home.
Thank you. So tell me, are you from this village?
Yes, of course. This is my family house.
Really? Mm-hmm. How come I don't know you? I've not seen your face before.
Well, I reside in the city. I come back home once in a while.
Okay, I thought as much too.
As a matter of fact, I came back for the wrestling festival.
The wrestling festival? It's over. It seems you want to come and stay with us in the village small.
I wish. I have an ongoing project. I have to stay behind to see things for myself because the engineer has not been doing things the way I want. But if I go back to the city, I will always come back.
That's nice. So I now have a city friend.
Well, nice to meet you, Amara.
Same here.
So what do I offer you?
Maybe water.
Water? Okay.
Chi baby ezigbo
Grandma.
Asamo.
Grandma.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hey.
Sit.
God will bless you, my daughter.
Amen. Grandma, sit.
Hey. Oh, thank
fall.
you, my daughter.
Don't worry, food will soon be ready.
And I know you will take some home.
No, I cannot take your food home.
Why? I have to take some home now.
No, Grandma, the food is yours. I cannot take it home.
I don't understand what you are saying. I cannot sit down here and watch you finish cooking this food and you will not... Okay, let me agree. You will not take some home. But you will eat here with me. Yes, after cooking you will eat with me.
Grandma, when I get back home, I will eat. We have enough food in the house. You want me to carry this my big mouth and finish this small?
I insist you must eat with me. You must too.
Okay. Son ma.
Okay.
I will eat with you.
Okay.
You know I always obey your instructions.
Good.
So let me just hurry up.
Okay. Assam. I know this food will be very sweet.
Trust me.
It will be sweeter than anything.
Trust me.
I trust you.
Let
me help you.
No, Grandma, I'll just relax.
We used to be like sisters. Why will you hate me now? Why suddenly happened to us? Come on, please don't hate me. We are supposed to be like one. We used to love each other unconditional.
This guy is so cute. Oh my God. I can't let him go. I think I'm falling in love with this guy. Amara, what are you doing? Hey God. Am I falling in love with this guy or what? I have to make a move towards him. Who knows? He might reciprocate.
We used to be like sisters. Why will you hate me now? Why suddenly happened to us? Come on, please don't hate me. We are supposed to be like one. We used to love each other unconditionally. Why? Why have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? What have I done to you?
Hi, Sochi.
Hey, here you are. You're welcome.
Thank you. I've been calling you. You've not been picking your calls.
Yeah, I was in the bathroom. Anyways, I was gonna return your call once I step into the car.
Okay, if you say so. Meanwhile, I brought you food.
Really? Wow. Wow. Nice of you. I was about going to the restaurant to eat. But since you brought me this, the aroma smells nice.
I'm a good cook.
Are you sure? Well, I'll have to go inside and find out.
Okay.
By the time I must have masticate whatever that is in there.
Like it.
Well, are you going now or?
No, let's go inside.
Oh, okay, let's go.
You like it?
Okay, help me with this.
He's so cute and handsome. Don't tell me you're already in love. Nemo, I'm in love. Oh.
Amara, I want to ask you something. So you fell in love with someone you barely know.
Nemo, it's called love at first sight. I wish you can just see so with you. You will just like him. But anyways, you will not even meet him because he's snatching from me.
My God, you're so pathetic. Why would you think about that?
Biko.
So wait, you want to shoot your shot now?
Ngwano, sharp. I will just watch me make my move.
See my baby,
Amara. Who doesn't like a fine boy? Yeah, just imagine him.
Wow. I like the fragrance. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
But don't you think I should be the one buying you a gift and not the other way around? As your brother and friend.
A brother? You're not my brother.
Come on, Amara. We are from the same village. That makes me your brother.
Sorochi, don't you feel anything for me? Like, am I not good enough to be your woman?
Amara, please. Listen, Amara. I want us to be friends. And that is that. So you have to put yourself under control, okay?
Sorochi, I love you. I want to be more than a friend to you.
I understand how you feel. Just that I don't feel the same way. So please, see me as your brother and you as my kid sis. Okay? You will even benefit more that way. Alright? You're just being stubborn. What's that? Wow, thank you for this anyways.
Ijoma, I didn't reciprocate when I told him what I feel for him.
What do you expect? Eh? When you went to tell him you love him, what do you expect?
Does it matter?
It doesn't. Eh? You know, if some people shoot their shot, it favors them. It will work out perfectly.
Ijoma, I love Sorochi.
I know. But he doesn't love you. He doesn't feel the same way for you. Who knows? He might be in a relationship before he came down to the village for the festival. Eh?
What should I do now?
What else? Just move on and wait for the man that will love you genuinely. And it's not hard. You can do it.
I can't.
You can't. I know you will.
I can't, Ijoma, I can't. Believe me.
I'm telling you, you are my friend, Amara. You will do it. And it's not that deep. Eh? Just remove your mind from him.
But I love him.
It's okay, it's okay. Yeah.
Wish to be like sisters.
Amara, you're very stupid to ask me such question. Are you calling me a thief or what? Hey, my friend, just shut up, else what? What will you do? Always barking like a mad dog. Come on, get off my phone. Idiot. Hello? What the? Hey! Thief! 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 Thief!
What is it? Thief where?
I don't know. I saw one guy here trying to... I don't know what he was doing.
He was trying to do what?
I don't know. I asked him and the next thing he ran off. I don't know.
Hey! Hey! Thief! He must have run away.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Easy, easy, easy. Are you sure he wasn't trying to tamper with my brakes?
I don't know. I saw him doing something and I asked him, what are you doing? He ran off. That's when I knew he was trying to do something bad.
Jesus Christ.
That guy is evil.
Let me check.
Oh
Is
my
everything
goodness.
okay?
Yes. I think you saw him on time. This could be dangerous, you know. Do you know if that guy had succeeded in tampering with my brake, it could lead to accident?
Forbid.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your bravery. God bless you, okay?
It's nothing. You're welcome.
Are you from this village?
Yes. Egbelu village.
Egbelu? That's the neighboring village?
Yes.
Wow, all the way from there to... Okay, it's just close by. My name is Sorochi. May I know your name?
My name is Chinelo, but you can call me Nelo.
Chinelo, Nelo. I prefer Nelo. Well, you've got a nice name. Nice to meet you, Nelo. Gratitude, you know. Thank you. I appreciate.
Okay. So I'll just be on my way now.
Why not hop in, let me drop you?
It's fine. It's close by.
Okay. Yeah, my house is just around the corner. If you follow this road, the 4th building by your right is my house. Just in case.
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
I'll see you some other time.
Alright,
Okay?
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Please be safe, okay?
It's alright.
Alright, bye.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Bless you too.
Alright, God bless you. I need to leave here right away. I think it's manageable. I'll get to the vulcanizer on the way.
Mama, have you seen it now? She just called me a mad girl.
Can you calm down? You're not a mad girl. Are you mad? Why would the mad girl she called you be so important when you know you're not mad?
Mama, don't tell me to calm down.
But you know you're wrong. You know you are very, very wrong. How would you accuse her of stealing your money when you're not sure? Don't you know that evidence is key? Only Jiderenaka, it would have been a different ball game.
Mama, she stole the money. She's a thief. She stole the money. Ojuhego, she's a poor girl.
Stop it. Stop it now. You're really learning to be rich with him pepper skirts. Just get out of my presence. She don't work like that. Then the rich. I wouldn't pepper skirts when you should have been wearing maxi, flowing gown. Can a man need the rich? She's a broke girl. Since you're rich, she's the sister to a rich girl. Someone have every right to take the money. But I know she's not a thief. She didn't take your money. Ataramgi. With the pen na faiga papa.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your bravery. God bless you, okay?
It's nothing, you're welcome.
Are you from this village?
Yes. Egbelu village.
Egbelu? That's the neighboring village?
Yes.
Wow, all the way from there too? Okay, it's just close by. My name is Sorochi. May I know your name?
My name is Chinelo, but you can call me Nelo.
Chinelo, Nelo. I prefer Nelo. Well, you've got a nice name. Nice to meet you, Nelo. Gratitude, you know. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay. So I'll just be on my way now.
Why not hop in, let me drop you?
It's fine. It's close by.
Okay. Yeah, my house is just around the corner. If you follow this road, the 4th building by your right is my house. Okay. Just in case.
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
I'll see you some other time.
Alright,
Okay?
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Please be safe, okay?
It's alright.
Alright, bye.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Bless you too.
Alright, God bless you. Wow. She is such an amazing soul. I can't stop thinking about her ever since she saved me. I think I am beginning to fall for her. Or should I call it love at first sight? Okay. It's okay. I am happy you make out time to come see me. You know, you are my best friend.
Best friend?
Yes.
But we only met a few days ago. How can you call me your best friend? I don't even know anything about me.
And on that day, you saved my life. Ever since then, I consider you as the only friend, in fact, my best friend in this village.
I know I saved your life, but I would still prefer you call me Chinelo or Nelo.
I know, but I prefer calling you my dear bestie. Okay?
You insist?
I do.
Okay. I have to leave now. I was actually doing something for my mom.
Come on, let's spend some time, you know?
No, some other time I'm busy at home, so I have to go now.
In that case, let me drop you off.
No, don't worry. My house is not far from here, so I'll just walk down.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
I don't mind. I can drop you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. You promise I'll see you maybe tomorrow? Please?
Okay, tomorrow.
Okay. Such an angel. So adorable.
We used to be like sisters. Why will you hate me now? Why suddenly happened to us? Come on, please don't hate me. We are supposed to be like one. We used to love.
So, if I win this next one, I become the champion.
Lee, you're not winning this one.
I will win.
You will not. Bet me. Bet me, you will not. Okay, let's go. Lee.
I want block.
I got you.
Okay. Pick 2.
It's not fair. I've picked.
General market.
General market is 1.
Yes. It's 5.
Okay, it's my turn to play, right?
And continue.
Okay, now watch me beat you blue, black. What's there? Block 11. There you go. Triangle 11. 13. 10. This is what? Give me. Come on, my lord. You know I'll always make it up to you. Okay, don't worry. I'll see you later. Is that okay? Alright. Mama is fine. I sent your regards to her. Alright. See you later. Alright, bye.
Look at her. Only God knows the man she's talking to. It will not be all these village boys.
My love, I want you to give us a chance. I have come to love you beyond my widest imaginations. You will not regret giving me your heart.
Saruchi, my heart has been broken before. And since then, I find it very difficult to give love a second chance.
Listen, I am not that kind of guy that goes around breaking an angel's heart. I am a different kind of species entirely. Trust me, you won't regret knowing me. I love you, and what I feel for you is real.
Won't you be traveling back to the city?
Sure, I will. But that won't stop our relationship. As a matter of fact, I think you should go back to the city with me.
And we will be living together.
Not at all. I am going to rent an apartment for you, a comfortable one at that. Listen, sweet. My feelings for you is real. I love you. And that is the truth. I have no reason to deceive you. Please, trust me. I will never let you down. Because you are the best thing that has happened to me. From that day, you saved me. Oh, I feel so complete because I know we will end up together. I love you. And I mean it. Okay? Oh, Tom, come here. I love you.
Hey, Soroshi! Chijoke! Hey! See my guy. Kate! Come here. Omo, what's going on?
When you enter this village now?
Since wrestling festival.
Ah, so you've been in this village for 3 weeks now?
My brother, I have a lot on my mind, you know? And why haven't I been seeing you on the way? At some point, I thought you've gone to your maternal home.
No, I did this village now. I'm in this village. So you've been in this village for 3 weeks now. You didn't bother to look for your friend?
No vex. I have an ongoing project. I need to supervise it myself. No time now. You know how it be now. Chijoke.
You clean village.
I should be vampire.
See my guy, you.
You know the old. All these small. What about tomorrow? Why don't you come over to the house? I have some goodies for you.
Your place, eh?
And
I trust you now, my guy.
I would have said today, but I have to go to the site to monitor my workers. My guy.
I say, come on now. I guess that's your new shake, your new baby, you know, sir.
You know how we work.
My man!
It's okay.
Soroshi!
Make sure you see me tomorrow. You clean like DVD.
We got dates now.
Okay now. Eh? My guy.
Bad boy, this boy. That's my friend, yeah? My childhood friend, you know.
I can see.
Look at him, he looks like a vampire. Oh. He doesn't get old. So, well, pardon my manners.
No, it's fine, I understand.
Maybe you don't have gone when the car is parked here. Let me call him. It's not picking. I'll call him again. It's not still picking.
Chijoke, my guy. Man, this village is looking good on you.
God, see my guy, you.
One name, Mado. Okay, wait, what's going on?
Oh, no, they don't call me. No, they call me. So you come this city, you forget to. You come this village. Before I come village city, what I go do now? I don't see city guy.
Why you talk like that now? You know, there's no way I will forget about you. Even when I was in the city, I always call you. We'll talk with the Nyan 247. I came back for the village because of the wrestling festival, and afterwards I decided to stay behind because of my project. You know, all these engineers. Yes, he has not been doing up to my expectations, so here I am. My guy.
Because my guy, you look you sharp. Say you clean, see you be very sharp. Hey go. Guy, see, let me tell you, bro. This you see, as you are going back this time around, guy, of me lose guard, maybe your cartel, oh. Guy, change my career now. I mount you go city. Yes, now I'm tired of being a village boy. They do see person when I get as friend.
Wow. This one shocked me. Oh. A village boy is tired of living in the village. No, be you be that. But no be wala, no be you shy.
They do like that.
I go reason am. No
lose guard.
I go reason am. Once I round up 1 or 2 way I supposed to, I'll reason am. That will not be a problem.
It's sharp.
No be car there. I'll go just mount car, drive, enter city.
It's sharp now.
What to you?
My cartel.
How your babes now? All this village, small, piam. I know say you don't eat all of them.
My daughter, yeah, now the things they here now. Not be the one where you see all those normal Coca-Cola shape. Now
you don't scatter them finish. Now you won't follow me go city. In fact, I change my mind. You die here.
No, be teach me work. Why they do like that now? But you sweet, so I'm not gonna lie. You be like Bunny.
No worry, I get you. I got some things for you. Okay.
Sharp.
I think there's this wristwatch I got for you and shower cap.
Hey, cartel, help my life. See you palm soft. You be like Bunny.
I'm crunchy.
Wish to be like sisters. Why will you hate me now? Why suddenly happened to us? Come on, please don't hate me. We are supposed to be like one. We used to love each other unconditionally. Why? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong?
Papa, there is something I want to ask you.
Sit down.
Okay, Papa. Papa, is it true that Sister Chinelo is not part of this family?
Kaima.
Papa.
See, Chinelo is my brother's daughter. My late brother's daughter.
Then why is Sister Amara referring her as an outsider?
Don't you know how Amara behaves?
Papa, Sister Amara keep talking about it like she's sure about it. Eh?
And you give a thought to that. Listen, Amara will always behave like that. She is angry because the mother will always show love to Chinelo because of her quietness. And Amara is that kind of person that is wayward and just name it.
How I wish Brother Tochi is around to stop all this problem. I missed him.
I miss him too. I know this whole problem will come to an end very soon.
Okay, I believe so. But nobody knows how long it will take to resolve this conflict between them, Papa.
It's okay, it's okay. Go and get me water. Go and get me water.
Okay, Papa, let me get you.
Wish to be like sisters. Why will you hate me now? Why suddenly happened to us? Come on, please don't hate me. We are supposed to be like one. We used to love each other unconditionally.
Sweetheart, have you been avoiding me? You stopped taking my calls.
Because it is not necessary. I had to set boundaries when I found out what you feel for me.
Why? Am I not good enough for you?
Listen, Amara. You are a beautiful girl, no doubt. But as it stands now, I am in love with someone else. So nothing can go on between us. As a matter of fact, I see you as a sister and I want you to see me as your brother.
So Ochi, I'm not your sister. Eh? I want us to be more than friends. I want us to be lovers, Ochi. Eh? I love you.
Amara, listen. I want you to control your emotions, okay? Be in charge of your emotions because you're losing it. And I don't want to see you get hurt. Listen, we are better off as brothers and sisters. Okay? Nothing more. Just we keep it mutual. Amara.
Amara, you don't look so good. What is the matter?
It's Suruchi. He told me to my face today that he doesn't love me. That he loves somebody else.
And that was the reason I told you not to make the first move. He might be in a relationship.
So I should not express my feelings because he's in a relationship.
Now you did. What is the outcome? Did he prophesy love to you the same way you did?
I can't stop loving him. Ijoma, you don't understand. My heart beats for Suruchi. I love him.
But he doesn't feel the same way you feel. Can't you see it? Let him go, please. I pray you find someone that will love you and cherish you. But not Soshi. The person is not Soshi. Let him go.
I think it's that easy.
Amara, you can. It's okay. It's okay.
Nelo.
Grandma.
I'm happy seeing you like this. This young man has brought happiness to you.
Yes, Grandma. He's really a nice man and he has showered me with so much love and care since I met him.
Really?
Yes.
How I wish I can see this young man and at least thank him for putting a smile on your face.
Don't worry, Grandma. You'll meet him one day. Meanwhile, I already told him about you. Yes. And he was asking me. I was wondering why I choose to keep an elderly woman as my friend. And I told him, that's who my heart accepts. It's better to keep an elderly woman as a friend than keeping all these young girls who will cause me problems and betray me at the end of the day.
Chinelo. But you know, there are some good years, Chinelo, my daughter. Yes, you cannot because Chinano behaved wrongly. You now think every other girl is like her. You can still get good friends. Your mates that are good too.
I know, Grandma, I know, yes. But for now, you're my G. You're my best friend. So I would think about the other one you're saying now.
Okay.
Right, let me go and sweep your room.
I'm gonna.
Alright, Grandma.
Okay, my daughter. Hi. My beautiful daughter. At least I'm happy now. She's happy. Hi. Suruchi.
Thank you for the gifts and all you've been doing for me.
Come on, my love. You don't have to thank me. You are my woman. I can do for you anything. As a matter of fact, I can even fly to the moon and bring it down for you.
I don't want the moon.
It's all right. I'll be traveling back to the city tomorrow.
Really?
Yes. I got an urgent call from a client. My presence is needed.
I'm going to miss you.
And I will miss you more. Okay? Don't worry, I won't waste time.
Hey! What's going on here? Eh? So it's bringing all this while. Hey! Chinelo!
What are you doing here? Why are you here to constitute nuisance in my compound? Where did you come from? What's the meaning of this?
So my sister is the reason you keep turning me down. Hey.
Is she your sister?
Suruchi, what's she talking about?
Chinelo, you see you will meet me at home.
What's going on here?
Come on, love. Let me explain, okay? Just come sit down.
Of course, I will sit because I need you to explain to me what's the meaning of you keep turning me down.
Sweetheart, please. I am telling you the truth. We were not in a relationship. She has been the one making advances.
How come you didn't tell me anything about her?
Because it's not necessary. Come to think of it, I never knew Amara is your sister. Okay?
Do you love her?
No. I'm surprised you're asking me such question. My darling, you are the one that I love. I love you. And that is the truth, and nothing but the truth. Nothing happened between Amara and I. And nothing will ever happen between Amara or anyone else. You are the one that I want. I love you. That is the truth.
I love you too.
So sorry, okay?
Mama, can you see it? Can you see what she's doing? Can you see it?
Can you calm down? Let her come back. Let's hear from her. Oh, when they be no phone. Now she did you wrong. Let me hear from her. Know the wrong she did.
Mama, she has nothing to say. Mama, she has nothing to say. She has been with my man all this while.
Man,
yes.
Oh no. Good afternoon.
Where are you going to?
Amara, get out of my way.
Just leave her. It's okay.
So, it's been you all this while, sleeping with my man, eh?
Your man, you said. Who is your man? Listen, Sorochi just confirmed to me that you both are not in a relationship. He's not your boyfriend.
Yes, we are. We are boyfriends and girlfriends. So, stay away. Boyfriend snatcher.
What is your problem? No, Amara, what is your problem? Why are you fooling yourself? Why are you throwing yourself on a man who does not even care if you exist? Talk more of loving you.
Chinelo, I'm giving you the final warning. Stay away from Sorochi, else...
Hey, listen to me. Hey, listen to me. Let this be the last time you talk to me in that tone. Do you understand?
Hey.
Chinelo, don't worry yourself. Let me talk to her. Everything will be fine. You know she likes dragging. Just go inside. Oh?
You go where?
Come out.
Go where?
Come on.
Boyfriend snatcher, husband snatcher.
You know your own problem is your mouth. Your problem is your mouth.
Mama, she can't stay in this house.
The last time is me you're dragging, though. Now it's boyfriend you are dragging. Your own name, if there is any word called dragging in this life, Amara, it should be your name. It's no longer dragging your house. Now it's dragging me.
We used to be like sisters. Why will you hate me now? Why suddenly happened to us? Come on, please.
Sister Amara, what is the matter? Your face don't look bright at all.
Emma, please go and call me Okwi Freddy. Then I came here to see him. It's very important.
Okay, hold on. Let me go and call him. Papa.
How are you?
Uncle, I'm not fine. Everything is not fine. Already fine. Uncle, I've come to complain to you about Chinelo for her to stay away from my boyfriend. If not, the whole village will gather for us. So.
Wait, both of you are fighting because of a boy?
She's the one causing this time around. What? She snatched my man from me. Uncle, help me warn her. Help me warn her.
Okay, I have heard you.
I'm leaving. That's why I come to tell you I'm leaving, sir. Thank you.
You can go, eh?
This is getting out of hand though. They are not fighting over a man. Papa, something needs to be done though. Papa, do something. Do something, Papa.
Come on, please don't hate me. We are supposed to be like one. We used to love each other unconditionally. Why? But
Soroshi, I don't understand you. How can you be dating two sisters at the same time?
I am not dating two sisters. Amara has been the one forcing herself on me.
Forcing herself on you?
She wants us to date, but I turned her down severally. She has refused to listen. She won't back off.
So what are you going to do now?
What kind of question is that? Listen, I'm deeply in love with Chinelo, not Amara. Okay?
But bro, this is a simple case now. You call that girl, tell her I don't want, so she can understand it now.
I have told her countless times, but she wouldn't listen. Yes, she's just been stubborn. What kind of girl is that?
Honestly, bro, that girl is deeply in love with you. I'm telling you. That's the reason why she's acting all the way she's doing.
Did you just say that?
Yes, now. Can't you see it written all her face?
I can see you're running stark mad. Why don't you go and fall in love with her?
Can you calm down? But that girl loves you, you know what I'm saying?
She loves you. She loves your whole family members. See, better still, I suggest you go toast to that girl and distract her. Just divert her attention away from me. But what are you my friend for? Make yourself useful for once.
But bro, you're a couple. You're a big boy now. You can't be married the two sisters at the same time.
Where is this girl? Where are you? Boyfriend snatcher. Stay away from my man. You hear me? Stay away from him.
If he truly feels anything for you, he won't come to me.
Huh? Oh, you think you're better than me, Abby? Eh? I'm warning you. Stay away from Sorochi. Do you understand me?
Amara, can you just stop this old drama? Eh? You know you can rant all you want, but you see Sorochi is mine. There's no way I am leaving Sorochi for you. So stop dreaming.
See the way I'm begging you now, eh? Hey, stay away from me, else I will make your life so miserable.
Amara.
Eh? How will you say such a thing to your elder sister now? Ijoma, if you don't want us to have any problem, stop calling this riffraff my sister. Do you understand me?
No, what did you just say? Eh? No, what did you say? Amara, I dare you to call me that one more time and I will make sure you lick all the sand in this compound.
It's okay. Are
you mad?
Please. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Eh? But you know how your sister acts. You know how she behaves.
Why are you begging her?
Please,
eh?
Don't mind.
Why are you begging her?
Enter inside and rest.
She can't do anything.
It's okay.
Chinelo, you can't do anything.
What is your problem? What is your problem? Every time you want to fight, what is it? Eh?
Ijoma, I'm warning you. I'm warning you.
Where are you going to? Amara! Amara! Amara, she hold on now. Amara!
What is it?
You're making me run and follow you now. This conflict you're creating between you and your sister, you have to stop it. It's not nice. You're too big for this.
Ijoma, can you believe that Chinelo has been the one which has been seeing all this while? That's why I've been doing like this to me since.
Amara, hi. You already know he has a woman. That is your sister Chinelo. Let him go.
Never. I said never. Instead of him to be with Chinelo, he better go back to the city and be with none of us. Chinelo, that girl is so evil. She's so evil.
Stop it. She's your sister. Well, sorry, but you know blood is thicker than water. Eh? She's still your sister, no matter what. Amara, I'm saying the truth. Amara, come now. Amara.
Sorochi, look into my eyes and tell me you don't love me.
I don't love you. And I will never love you. I made it clear to you from the onset that this whole thing will never work between us. But you refused to listen.
You just said you never loved me.
You heard me. Chinelo saved my life. Else, I don't know what my life would have become.
And you think if I was there to save you, I wouldn't have saved you?
Maybe that was how God wanted it. I call it a coincidence.
So, Rochi, please, don't do this to me.
Amara, I am begging you. My heart beats for your sister. I love her. Do you understand? So please, I want you to stop fighting her. Okay. I am going to give you money to stop fighting Chinelo. And let me be, if that will bring peace. Okay? Just name your...
I don't want money. I don't want money. I love you. I want to be with you.
You don't understand. You're making this whole thing difficult. Okay? Whatever. I want you to stop fighting Chinelo. Please.
You can't be with Chinelo. You cannot be with her. I met you before she did.
Oh, here you go again. This whole thing has nothing to do with who met who. Yes, you met me first. But that doesn't mean that we must end up together. You met me first. That doesn't mean that I must love you or you must be my woman. It doesn't work that way. Nature has happened, just accept it. And stop all this whole drama. It doesn't make sense. You're making things difficult here for everyone. Chinelo is your sister, you should be happy for her. If I end up with her, you'll still become my sister-in-law. I understand how you feel. I know exactly what's going on in your family. It's normal. I want you to trust me. I will never disappoint you. Okay?
Listen, this is not a matter of you disappointing me or not. This is causing serious problem in my family. I feel at this point it's best I stay away from you.
No. Don't say that. Okay. I will sort it out. This shouldn't be a problem at all. Okay?
How will you sort it out? No, tell me, how will you do it? My sister fights me every day. She's going around telling everybody that cares to listen that I snatched her man.
Oh. Amara is just being childish. She's young and, you know, she does whatever she likes. I promise to handle this whole thing soon. It will be a thing of the past. Okay? Trust me. Alright? Alright. So.
We used to be like sisters. Why will you hate me now? Why suddenly happened to us? Come on, please don't hate me. We are supposed to be like one. We used to love each other.
Why are you demarcating the compound? So what's all this rubbish now?
So this side now is your side. Then this side now is my side.
No, you're demarcating the compound as what? As the landlady of this place, eh? What gives you the right to do this?
I have done it now, eh? Stop me.
Amarachi. Amarachi. How? What is all this? Eh? No, why are you demarcating this compound? What is the problem?
Uncle, it's my decision, eh? I cannot be working in the same compound with this wicked woman, this Kamata woman. There is this charm to snatch his men. I cannot.
You know what? You're just a mad dog. All you do is hoo 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 hoo. So let me tell you, I am your elder sister. You cannot intimidate me in this house. Never.
Oh. Hey, you're crossing the line.
No, draw it again, let me see. No, draw it.
You are trying me.
I'm trying you, draw it.
You are trying me, Abi. You are trying me. You are trying me.
Amara! Amarachi! You kill your sister, oh! Amara, you kill your sister! Oh, you want to kill your sister? Where's Akudo?
Wait a minute. Amarachi, you chased your own sister, your blood sister, with a cutlass.
Mama, she crossed my path. Not only that, she snatched my man's love. Snatched my mother's love. Now it's my man.
I did not snatch any man from you. I did not. He came to me himself. I saved his life and he fell in love with me. And listen, stop all this nonsense lie you've been lying. No. Sorochi has told me that you both are not in a relationship. So stop accusing me of snatching your man.
You know you're very manipulative. If you saw your kaimata on him, Abi, it will not work.
Enough of all this dragging and kayamata nonsense. Amarachi, if you want to drag a man, go get yourself a house and continue from there. She took your mother's love. She's taking your man. What is all this nonsense about? Can't you be reasonable for once?
Akudo, the best option is for us to invite this man, let him come here and tell us to our faces who he wants to be with.
In fact, I don't understand where you're coming from. A man that is not even asking for their hand in marriage is who I will invite to my house to come and begin to explain who he wants, who he does not want. When people hear it outside, what would they say?
Mama, don't worry. I totally agree with Uncle. Let us invite him to come here so we put an end to this rubbish once and for all.
So that the drama will end.
Yes.
Oh. So they can use more charm on him, Abi? It will not work.
Mama, warn your daughter. Want her to stop accusing me of using charm on a man.
Don't worry yourself. You know she has started using it, but it failed. I know you know where the source of kayamata. You know the name. You know how it's used. That is why you're saying your sister is using it.
She's using it, Mama.
Because your own failed you.
How did you know that she's using charm?
I don't ask her. Ask her.
No, you are the person saying she's using charm.
Ask her. Kayamata user.
It's because she knows where they do the kayamata. She has used it, failed. Chinelo, I want the whole truth. Nothing but the truth. Between you and Amarachi, who met this man first?
Mama, Sorochi met Amara first. But it seems he does not like her. Because he never mentioned her to me from day one. The only woman Sorochi has ever mentioned to me is his ex-girlfriend who stays in the city. Sorochi has nothing to do with Amara, Mama.
But you know, men can lie. You don't need to trust them. You know, sometimes they can lie to get a woman.
Sorochi is not that kind of man. He can never lie with such a thing. Sorochi is very straightforward. His yes is yes and his no is no.
You know, this whole thing is very complicated. I don't know what to believe again. I'm so confused.
Mama, you don't have to be confused. Just relax until Sorochi comes here tomorrow. Because we'll find out the truth.
Sorochi is your name, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Because of your relationship with our two daughters, that is why we had to invite you. To know who your heart beat for.
Thank you, Uncle. First of all, I want to use this opportunity to say I feel honored to be in the midst of this wonderful family. Chinelo is the one I want to be with.
Bagam.
Oh, Bego.
Because I love her. And I have genuine feelings for her. No other can be like her.
Oh.
Yes, I met Amara first. But we are just friends and nothing more.
Oh. No, now. You cannot love her and leave me now. You can't do this.
No. Thank you so much. You have spoken well. It's not about who they are living and who they are taking. It's who they love.
Amara, listen. I know how you feel. But the truth is, there is nothing you can do about it.
what I feel for Chinelo is true. We are just friends, so you just have to leave it that way. Hopefully, someday God will give you a man that will love and cherish you. So let peace reign, okay? She's your sister.
Amara, you heard him clearly. He said he loves Chinelo. When a man says he does not love you, take it like that. Do not try to force yourself on the man. He didn't say anything wrong. Yes, he met you first. But he didn't love you first. He said you are just friends. You are not lovers. So why the fuse?
Mama, please, enough of that. I know you will support her. I can never leave Sorochi for Chinelo. Never.
Okay. It's okay.
It's all right, my son. We have heard you. Do not bother yourself. We'll handle it.
Thank you, Papa.
Hello. If you're going the choice they may go choose. How you gonna? Just enjoy. Let that one be killing herself. You know, bread, abarana milk. Tufuru.
Soroshi, since things are really getting worse, I will advise you, as my friend, to walk away from that family. Yes.
Are you insinuating I leave Chinelo?
Bro, I think that's the best thing to do with the problem they are having in that family. Come on, look at it now. Come to think of it. You're not yet married to their daughter. They are calling you for family meeting. Why?
No matter what happens, I would never leave Chinelo. And that is that.
You will never leave Chinelo. You know, everything in that family has been happening before your arrival. And there's nothing. I don't think there's nothing you can do to change it. Think about it.
Chinelo, my daughter, I've told you severally not to be bothered. If God decides that this man is going to be your husband, you and I know that nobody should put us under. Not at all. Because once God have decided, God have decided.
Grandma, you won't understand. Amara can do anything just to have Sorochi.
And it's only a man decides whom to stay with. Yes. If Sorochi decides that you are going to win his heart forever, no person, even Amarachi times 10, cannot stop him. That's what I'm telling you. Calm down. Whenever Amarachi comes up with her trouble, come to my house. Run away from her. Come to my house and have your peace. Oh, one. Adokumo. What when
Make sure she stitches those clothes very well, okay?
I know. I will even check it before I pay her. Also have my clothes she's working on.
Smart girl. And don't forget to check it before you giving her any money.
I know.
I don't have power for problem.
Kaima, wait there. Wait there. Yeah, take this money. Go to Mama Okwe's place. Buy me 1 bottle of Coke and 2 meat pie.
Sister Amara, I want to rush to the junction and give this clothes to the teller before she closes now.
Oh, so you have grown that you are not talking back at me, Abi? My friend, take this phone and go and buy what you can buy.
Amara, what is the problem? No, I'm asking you. Because God and everybody knows I have tried so hard to keep my cool, but you don't want to allow me rest. No, what is all this? Are you blind? Did you not say I sent her on an errand?
Chinelo, so you want to still snatch my sister's love away from me, Abi? You snatched my mother's love, my man's love. Now is that Kaima? it cannot work. Her spirit is so strong. All your charm will not work on her. Do you understand me? Leave her alone. Kaima, take Angabari.
She's going nowhere. Do your worst.
Chinelo.
Amara.
Chinelo.
Amara.
You are trying me in this house.
I am trying you.
You are trying me in this house.
I know I am trying
you. You are trying me.
I am trying you because I want you to do your worst. Do your worst today. Let me put an end to this madness. Do your worst.
Kaima, I want you to be honest with me. Was there conflict between Amara and Chinelo before I met them?
Bro Sorochi, I can't tell you anything about my sisters. It seems like I'm about to betray them.
Don't see it that way. You are not betraying anyone. I'm only trying to know the truth so that I will be able to make things work out for everyone so that peace will reign, that's all.
Yes, they are having misunderstanding before you met them. Sister Amara is the one bringing up the matter all the time.
So, what is the cause of the conflict? Wow. Really?
Yes.
But how sure that Chinelo is not part of your family?
It's not true, Bro Sorochi. Sister Amara always assumed that Mama showed love to Sister Chinelo more than her.
Well, I will do my best to bring peace between them.
Oh, my family will be very grateful if you bring harmony between them. Thank you so much.
It's all right. It's okay.
Soroshi, me, I don't understand you. Guy, I don't understand you. Do you want to date 3 girls, 3 sisters for that matter now, and get married to all of them? What's your problem now, guy?
I told you I wasn't dating Amara. So where is all this coming from? Or how many times will I have to tell you that I don't have anything going on with Amara?
Amara, I'm not even talking about Amara. I'm not talking about Amara. I saw you yesterday inside your car with Kaima.
Huh?
Wait till you go to Florida get a discuss if no be normal packaging.
You see the reason I always tell you, you need to borrow some sense. Your brain no dey work at times. So you saw Kaima inside my car and you concluded just like that? Huh? You just jump into conclusion like a buffalo without asking me what we were discussing. Are you alright?
That's true.
Guy, you dey fuck up, oh.
That's true.
You mess up.
My guy. I don't think about that aspect. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Overreacted. Tell me now, what are you guys discussing?
Well, I was only asking her about Amara and Chinelo. Come on now, the whole basketballs between those 2 sisters is getting out of hands. The ups and the downs, fighting each other here and there, it doesn't make sense.
And you think Kaima will tell you what's going on?
Well, she never wanted to say anything, but you know me now, I always have my way.
You're not sharp, man.
I persuaded her and forced her to tell me what I wanted to hear. She told me both of them have been having issues even before I met them. So, I am not the problem here, but now I know how to handle them.
Guy, you see, I don't tell you this matter before. I've told you, leave this village family and go to the city, have peace. I don't even, so guys I didn't observe you. Come on for village, come on for city where clean chicks, clean bunnies they come fight. What's up? I don't understand you.
You can never understand. That is why you are in the village. You don't say they think like village people. You people always think the city is where you go and you pluck good things from the streets. No, it doesn't work that way. Whatever you have there in the city is also here. Human beings are human beings. Now where God wants you to find love, you will find love. I thank God I have found mine here in my father's land.
Love there exists.
Oh God, may shine.
Guy, you don't make money, love not exists. You live with those
Your head is totally messed up. So tell me, my love, is it true
What is true? That I am not part of my own family.
I am asking so that I will know how to handle Amara.
My love, I am Mazi Obialo's daughter. Forget what my sister is saying. She's just being childish. I am sure she told you this, right?
No. Don't worry how I got to know.
Oh. So it has gotten to this point, right? You now keep things to yourself.
No. Come on, my love. Listen, let's forget about this. I don't want to create more problems.
Then you shouldn't have asked in the first place.
Hey. You know I hate seeing your face this way. Okay. Kaima told me. I forced her to anyway.
Kaima?
Yes.
How? Kaima is not a talking type, so how is it possible she told you?
Like I said, I persuaded her to tell me. I forced it out of her mouth. Don't go yelling at her. Okay?
It's fine, I won't.
Good.
Oh my love. I don't want you to believe whatsoever Amara is saying. It's not true.
It's okay. I believe you. Alright? And I love you.
I love you too.
Come here. Tell me, what do you want?
I don't want anything.
Are you sure you don't want
I just...
How is business? Oh, everyone is fine. But a lot has happened. Amara and Chinelo, they have been in conflict for the past 2 months. But not to worry, we will take care of it. I will make sure I reconcile both of them. There's no need for you to come. Just concentrate on your business. I will do everything within my power to reconcile both of them. Lest I forget. I received the money you sent to me. Thank you, my son. Thank you.
Papa, you would have told him to come back and reconcile them. I'm sure they will pay attention to him.
There is no need for him to come because of them. He should concentrate on his business. I have my plans. I know what to do to reconcile both of them.
Papa, share with me, what is your plan?
Kaima!
Tell me now.
Go inside and prepare something for me.
Thank you.
Please don't hate me. We are supposed to be like one. We used to love each other unconditionally. Why? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? What have I done?
Mama, please don't tell me to let this go. Please. Amara must go to the police station and sign an undertaking because I don't trust her. She tried to harm me in my dream.
So because you had a dream, you're saying I was signing an undertaking because of you. Something was wrong with your head.
Mara, your heart is evil. Your heart is dark. I know you have evil plans against me. I know it.
Mama, one how you stop accusing me wrongly. If not, this mother will get K-leg. One how.
Which K-leg? Have you not threatened to kill me before? Have you not?
Chinelo, it's okay. It's just a dream. Even if you go to the police will not even take this case seriously because there's no evidence. It's just a mirage, just a dream in your head.
Mama, if Amara is not signing an undertaking, I will save my life by leaving this house.
Hey! Praise Jesus! Chinelo, leave this house. Go! You don't belong here. Leave!
Are you listening to a mad woman? You know, look at her dressing. It will tell you that Ogiburala, she's just recovering. It's okay. Just leave her.
I don't know why you're begging her. Let her go now. Stop begging her now. She doesn't belong here.
Amara, can you stop?
Ha!
Can you stop this madness?
Leave my father's house. You should leave.
You leave first. Stop it. I'm begging you not to stop.
Come on, son, undertaking.
Don't go there. Don't go there.
I know you will support her.
Why would I support her? She said you should stand undertaking. I'm trying to defend you.
For a mad dream. A mad dream.
For a mad dream, yes. Because Ibualo.
What do you mean by you want to leave your father's house?
Uncle Fedi, my life is no longer safe. Amara can just wake up one day and kill me.
No. She won't do that. She won't do that.
You never can tell, Uncle. The dream I had is not just a made dream. It is a revelation from God.
Chinelo, instead of you to leave your father's house and go out, come to my house and stay. Come here and stay.
No, Uncle. That's not a solution. She can easily barge in here and execute her plans.
It is a solution. That won't enter into her heart. Listen, if you leave your father's house and move away, that means all she's saying is true. You need to move on. Forget the dream. Please, my daughter.
Where do you want to go now? Why are you going away?
Mama, please, just allow me, let me leave. I cannot continue to stay in this house with Amara.
Tell me, where do you want to go? Because I know you don't have anywhere else to go. Or do you want to go stay with a man that has not even asked for your hand in marriage, let alone pay your bride price?
I am not going to stay with a man. I know where I'm going. Please, just allow me go.
Mama Biko, please. Let her go now. Go! What are you doing here? Carry your bag and go.
I know you're happy. I will leave. I cannot stay in this house with an evil child like you.
Mama, leave her alone and let her go.
I will go.
Then leave. Leave.
See, don't touch me. Go.
You
go.
You
go.
Leave her.
Go. Don't me. Go. Leave my father's house. Leave my father's house. You go.
You go. Go. Mama. Jesus. Mama. Show your seat. Mama.
Mama, please, I'm sorry. I promise it will never happen again.
Why did you say you were going away? Why did you say you were going away?
I'm not going again. I'm sorry. I'll stay here with you.
Now look at what both of you have caused. If anything had happened to your mother, you would tell the whole world that it's just because of a man. Because of a man.
Uncle, I'm sorry.
Here is paining me. Oh. My waist is paining me. That part I used to hit the ground is paining me. Oh.
I'm not sorry.
You need to invite this boy. I want to tell him something. You need to bring him here.
What could that be, Uncle?
When he comes here, you will all hear what I want to tell him.
I will even tell him that they pushed me down.
Okay.
Mama, it's okay now.
Amarashi, I want to advise you as my friend. Since Soroshi said he doesn't want you, Bikomi, let him go. Let him go.
I think it's that easy.
My friend, it is very easy. It's just for you to control your emotions and feelings for him. He is not your man. If he is, he would have not even come in contact with your sister at the first place. I'm telling you the truth.
I'll think about it.
Amara, there's nothing to think about, oh. Nothing. It's just for you to just let it go. You will definitely find a man that will love you and cherish you. Trust me. Let him go. He's not the only man in this world. Amara.
I called this meeting in order to resolve the conflict between Amara and Chinelo. The way I am seeing it, Amara will not allow Sorochi to go without him being with her. So I have come up with an idea.
Which is, you have started again.
Oh, can you calm down? Can you calm down?
Amara, relax. Do not be faster than your shadow. I have told your mother already. We need to meet with a seer.
A seer?
Yes. The seer will tell us. It is either you or your sister Amara that will be with Sorochi, and if eventually none of you is chosen, then Sorochi will go.
Forever.
Ogula.
Ifedi, you have spoken well. Thank you so much. Sorochi, you have to come with us to see the seer. At least to hear directly what the seer has to say concerning this predicament.
It's okay, Mama. I will come with you people. At least, after now, peace will reign.
Amara, you cannot be his wife. Both of you are not destined to be together. Chinelo, you can be called his wife.
Great seer of our time. How come? I really love him.
Because he is your twin brother. You cannot marry your blood.
Brother, how come?
Gracia, I don't have a boy child. You know, yes, I know Amara here is a twin. He died at birth. I was told he died. Immediately I gave birth to him. I didn't even see him with my 2 eyes. I didn't see his body. Yes.
You are saying the truth. He is alive. Yes, he's alive. They lied to you. After you gave birth and passed out. The midwife who was in the labor room had an agreement with a rich man and the wife, and he was paid a huge amount of money, and they gave your son to them and lied that he is dead.
Wait. Gracia, are you telling us to our face that Sorochi here is part of our family? Is that what you are saying?
Yes, he is our son, sound and healthy.
Sorry, Gracia. You said I am destined to marry him. How can I marry my own brother?
He is not your blood. You are not part of the family.
Mama, what is he talking about? That I am not part of the family. Mama, what is going on?
I said it.
Mama! Mama?
He's right. You know, I saw you crying and roaming the street. I picked you up and took you home when you were barely 2 years old. Amara then was just a year old.
1 year.
I didn't know your family. I didn't know where you came from. But right now, you came from me. You are my daughter. You are my child.
Mama, how can you keep my own identity from me? How can you hide such a thing from me?
God gave you to me. Which other identity are you looking for? Your identity is me.
To confirm your identity, when you get home, all of you should check your back. There is a mark that every family has. If you have it, know that my prophecy is fake.
I know of the birthmark, but that is not what I will keep saying every time.
Mama. Uncle Ifedi, you both kept this secret away from me for years. And when Amara raised the topic, Mama, I asked you, Uncle Ifedi, I came to you. But you kept on telling me that she was lying.
This is the reason I did not find Amara attractive in any way. Even when she tried to lure me to bed, I got so pissed. Her actions, I felt so irritated.
Baby, why are you treating me this way now?
Because nothing can happen between us. And stop calling me pet names. Who is your baby? Eh?
I don't know why you hate me this much.
I don't hate you. I am only trying to make you understand that nothing can happen between us. Do you understand? I see you as my sister.
I'm not your sister. Eh? So Rochi, please now come. Let's go inside. I really love you. Let's go inside and have fun.
You are not my sister. And you are my mother now. You should become my mother since you don't want to be my sister. Let's go inside and have fun. Inside where? Does this house look like a hotel? Amara, you're beginning to get on my nerves. Please leave. Amara, stand up. Hanlele, stand up. Leave. Zobu, go away. I don't want to see you. What's all this? Want us to have some fun. Didn't you play while growing up? What kind of fun is that one?
Now I know why we did not go intimate.
Blood is thicker than water. Abomination.
Am I not the Ferrari? With all the bickering, with all the fights, with all the wars, how did you find out that Chinelo is not your biological sister?
I know you and Uncle Ifedi are very surprised on how I found out.
Who would believe that that same girl was the girl you picked from the street years back? You nurtured her like your own biological daughter.
Will she believe that I'm not her biological mother? She's overwhelmed by her being in this house. So she doesn't even know her coming or her going.
See, your good heart was what made my brother fall in love with you. And my brother, oh, of blessed memory, he so much loved you.
And I loved him too. I miss him so much. May his gentle soul continue to rest in peace.
Amen.
Every day I wish he were to be around.
It's okay. Let me be on my way. I want to go for a meeting.
Okay. I'll see you around.
Okay, I'll be back.
All right, my regards to Kaima.
And when I found out, I kept it to myself, waiting for a day like this. That's why I've been doing all this drama and conflicts.
Yeah, but a time bomb. You wanted the day it will explode. And indeed it exploded.
I want this conflict to end. Enough of this chaos. It has lasted for so long. And if you continue to behave this way, things might go wrong in this family. Henceforth, I urge you to see Chinelo here as your biological sister. She's not stealing anything from you or taking anything that belongs to you. Please, see her as the only backbone that you have, and peace will reign. Okay?
Chinelo, I've never treated you less. I've always loved you like my own child. Because you're my child.
No, why? Uncle Fedi, why?
Chinelo, we have to do it just to keep the family together. Please forgive us.
Chinelo, my daughter, my child, please forgive me. Forgive me for keeping information away from you. But I ask you, how can I tell my child that I picked you up? I wouldn't have been able to open my mouth to say that to you, considering how much I love you. It would have been an insult for me to say that to you.
Mama, it's okay. Please don't cry. I have forgiven you. I have.
You do?
Yes, Mama.
Hey.
But how can I bear grudges against you for so long? How? Without you taking me in as your daughter, I would have been dead. Mama, thank you so much. Thank you for being a good mother to me. Thank you for taking good care of me as your own. You are a good woman. I pray that God will continue to bless you.
And bless you too.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
And bless you for being a good child. And bless you for taking all Amara's excesses without making trouble with her. I watch you day and night. She insults you. She says all manner of things to you. But you never took it to heart. Forgive her. She's your sister.
I'm so sorry for all the abusive word I used, all the fights. I'm deeply sorry. It's fine, you're my sister. I forgive you. It's fine. It's okay.
It's okay. My son.
Mama.
Come here.
Oh.
My daughter, I'm so happy seeing you excited. And I know everything has been settled.
Yes, Mama. Everything has been settled and I am super excited. Mama, our house is as cold as ice block.
My daughter, that is how it's supposed to be. Staying together as one happy family brings happiness and good luck.
Yes, Mama. You know, I was actually shocked when I finally realized that I am not part of the family, but it's fine.
Come over that. You know, you've been living with them for years. And Akodo took you as her own daughter. That makes you her daughter too. And it also makes you part of the family.
You're right, Grandma.
Yes.
She's a very nice woman.
Yeah.
She has been very nice to me. And I appreciate her good works and effort towards me. And I pray that the Almighty God would continually bless her.
Amen.
And amen.
Amen.
So Roshi, my guy, wonder shall never. So wait, your Mazi will be a lost son.
So I was told.
Have you called your parents to confirm it?
I told them everything via phone. And guess what? They did not deny it. As a matter of fact, they wanted to come back to the village, but I asked them not to. When I get back to the city, we can discuss face to face.
Oh, wow. Wonder shall never end.
I know.
That means you can't get married to your sister now?
Who says so? Chinelo is not my blood. She's not my sister.
Meaning?
Story for another day, my brother. In all, I give thanks to God.
Yeah, you have to take things easy.
Yeah, I am as always.
What? Why are you staring at me like that? You're making me shy.
Because I can't get enough of you. I feel like... I feel like eating you raw. My darling, I am indeed the luckiest man in the whole world. For having you as my woman, and not just my woman. The love of my life, that you are. You make me complete. I have made up my mind to spend the rest of my life with you. I want you to be the bone of my bone and the flesh of my flesh, because I love you and I will always love you. I will love you till my last breath. My love.
Love in Tokyo.
Mama, how long have you both been standing there?
For God knows how long. We've been enjoying the sights.
They heard everything. Mama, one more thing. Please, come close. Mama, I want to say this. After the traditional rite, Amara will be going back to the city with us.
Mama.
So that she can further her education.
Oh my goodness, so that she will have small sense again.
Mama have sense.
Mama has sense.
Where is the sense? Trouble sense. Are you serious?
Yes, Mama, because education is key to communication. So she needs it. As for my darling here, something is telling me that she will not just end up with BSc, but she would rather want PhD and even become a professor.
Oh, wait. Oh, my God. Oh, I have finished cooking. Come, let's go ahead.
Let's go.
Sisters, why will you hate me now? Why Sally happened to her? My sisters, why will you hate me now? Why Sally happened to hers? Come on, please don't hate me. We are supposed to be like one. We used to love each other unconditionally. Why? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? What have I done to you? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? What have I done to you? My heart bleeds, oh yeah. My heart shatters, oh yeah. For the fool you've done me, for the wrongs you've done me. What are we dragging? What are we dragging? Matter how much you fight me, you can never be me. What have I done?